Geoffrey Maxwell, former national player and coach, has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Former national player and well-known coach Geoffrey Maxwell has died. He was 78 years old. Maxwell family revealed last year that he had been suffering from Alzheimer's disease. Maxwell represented Jamaica as a defender before going on to coach a number of local clubs and high schools. He is most known for success at Waterhouse Football Club, who led the National Premier League title in 1998 and guided Excelsior schoolboy football triumph in the 1980s. Maxwell's passion for the game and leadership qualities were a feature of his success. The well-traveled coach also had stints at Santos, Harborview, Tivoli Gardens, Arnett Gardens, St. George's SC, Humble Lion, Marvelly, Uhenden, Hydel High, among other teams at national and schoolboy level. Maxwell was among 4 football stalwarts honored by the Jamaica Football Federation last year for their contribution to the sport in the island. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.